Are you constantly waking up with painful leg cramps? Or maybe your muscles feel stiff and achy throughout the day, making it harder to stay active. If you're over 60, you're not alone. Muscle cramps are one of the most common complaints among seniors. And the good news is, they're not just a part of aging you have to accept. What if I told you that simple changes in your diet could ease muscle tension, reduce cramp frequency, and improve your overall strength and mobility? In today's video, we're uncovering the top 3 foods that help seniors stay cramp-free and build stronger muscles naturally. These aren't expensive superfoods or complicated supplements, they're simple, everyday items you can easily add to your meals. Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss a health tip designed just for you. Let's dive in. Food number 1, eggs, the all-in-one muscle builder. Let's start with a true nutritional powerhouse, eggs. Eggs are one of the best foods for maintaining muscle strength and preventing cramps as you age. Each egg provides 6 grams of complete protein, meaning it includes all the amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. As we get older, our muscles naturally shrink in a condition called sarcopenia. This muscle loss increases the chance of cramping, weakness, and poor balance. By including high-protein foods like eggs in your diet, you can slow down this muscle loss and maintain better strength. But it's not just protein. Eggs are also packed with vitamin D, which plays a crucial role in calcium absorption and muscle contraction. Seniors often spend less time in the sun, which means your body produces less natural vitamin D. Without enough of this vitamin, your muscles may become weak or cramp easily. The egg yolk also contains vitamin B12, essential for healthy nerves. Nerve damage, or weak nerve signaling, often causes misfiring in your muscles, which leads to cramps, spasms, or that pins and needles feeling in your legs. Eggs also contain choline, which protects the myelin sheath around your nerves, the insulation layer that keeps nerve signals running smoothly. Bonus tip: to get the most out of eggs, pair them with leafy greens like spinach or kale, which add more magnesium and vitamin K, great for bone and nerve health. A breakfast of scrambled eggs, sautéed greens, and whole grain toast is a senior-friendly, muscle-nourishing meal. How many eggs should seniors eat per week? Most experts agree that 6 to 7 eggs a week is perfectly safe for healthy seniors. If you have high cholesterol, try eating more egg whites, which still provide great protein without the cholesterol. And remember, eggs are not just for breakfast. Try hard-boiled eggs as a snack or slice them over a salad for a muscle-boosting meal. Food number 2. Bananas, the potassium powerhouse. Now let's talk about one of the most popular fruits in the world, and a leg cramp-fighting favorite, bananas. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a key electrolyte that keeps your muscles and nerves working smoothly. One medium banana has over 400 milligrams of potassium, helping your body balance fluids and control muscle contractions. When your potassium levels drop, whether from sweating, dehydration, or medication side effects, your muscles become more likely to spasm. That's why many seniors who take diuretics for high blood pressure, or who don't eat enough fruits and veggies, often experience more cramps. Bananas also give you a natural dose of magnesium and vitamin B6, both of which reduce muscle excitability and help muscles relax after activity. Magnesium supports ATP production, your cell's energy source, so your muscles can contract and relax properly. Night cramps? Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bedtime can help balance your electrolyte levels and prevent cramps that wake you up at night. Pair it with a glass of water or a little yogurt for even more benefit. Vitamin B6, found in bananas, also supports your nervous system by creating neurotransmitters, the brain chemicals that tell your muscles when to move or rest. A lack of vitamin B6 can disrupt that signal, leading to cramping and pain. How many bananas should seniors eat per day? One banana a day is ideal for most. If you experience frequent cramps, you might benefit from two, especially if you're sweating more, active, or recovering from illness. Diabetics should monitor their intake and eat bananas with high-fiber foods like oats, nuts, or flaxseed to reduce sugar spikes. Fun pairing tip. Try a banana sliced over oatmeal with a sprinkle of chia seeds. It's a hydrating, fiber-rich, cramp-fighting breakfast that's easy to prepare and gentle on digestion. Food number 3. Nuts and seeds. The muscle recovery secret. Finally, we have nuts and seeds, a highly underrated tool for muscle health and cramp prevention. Nuts and seeds like almonds, pumpkin seeds, walnuts, pistachios, and cashews are packed with magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and protein, all of which are vital for keeping muscles functioning and nerves in sync. Let's break it down. Pumpkin seeds, highest in magnesium. Just 1 ounce gives you 40% of your daily needs. Almonds and cashews, rich in magnesium and potassium. Walnuts and flax seeds, high in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and improve circulation. As we age, we lose muscle more easily and don't always eat enough minerals to stay balanced. Many seniors are deficient in magnesium, which makes muscles more excitable and prone to cramping. Nuts and seeds help restore this balance naturally. They're also great after activity. If you go for a walk or do light exercise, your body loses electrolytes through sweat. A small handful of nuts post-workout helps replenish what you've lost. Best times to eat nuts and seeds. With meals, helps with nutrient absorption. Before bed, reduces nighttime cramps and muscle tension. After activity, restores minerals and aids recovery. How much should you eat? A small handful, about 1 ounce or 20 to 25 almonds, is enough. Too many can add extra calories, so keep portions in check. Choose unsalted, raw, or dry roasted options to avoid extra sodium, which can worsen dehydration. Digestive tip. If you have trouble digesting whole nuts, try ground flaxseed or nut butters, like almond butter, for easier digestion without losing benefits. Hydration and lifestyle tips. The missing link. While food plays a huge role in preventing cramps, don't overlook hydration. Many leg cramps, especially at night, are caused by dehydration and poor fluid balance. Seniors often have a reduced sense of thirst, so it's easy to get dehydrated without realizing it. How much water should you drink? Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water daily. If you sweat more or take medications that increase urination, you may need more. Coconut water is another great option. It provides natural potassium and magnesium, along with hydration. Signs you're dehydrated: dry mouth, headaches, dark urine, fatigue or muscle cramps. Other tips to avoid cramps: stretch before and after activity. Keep your legs warm at night. Use compression socks if you have poor circulation. Balance your electrolytes with fruits, veggies, and whole grains. So, let's recap. Eggs. Give your muscles the protein they need to rebuild, plus B12 and vitamin D for strong nerves. Bananas provide potassium, magnesium, and B6 to support healthy muscle contractions. Nuts and seeds offer magnesium, potassium, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory benefits to keep your muscles relaxed and strong. Add these 3 foods to your diet. Stay well hydrated and keep moving gently each day. And you'll be well on your way to fewer cramps, better mobility, and stronger muscles. Was this video helpful? If so, hit the like button. It really helps more people find our senior health content. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Front for more tips on healthy aging, wellness, and fitness after 60. Have questions about leg cramps or want to share what works for you? Leave a comment below. We love hearing from you and might feature your question in a future video. Thanks for watching, stay active, and see you in the next one.